On this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways Claude AI can make your shop more efficient, more profitable, and honestly, just less stressful. And for each one, I'm going to show you a prompt online that you can use and copy so you can use it yourself. So let's go. But guys, my name's AJ. I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. The first use case is writing a shop about page that actually converts. Now, this is absolutely massive, guys. Most Etsy about pages are so boring, or they're just actually written like a CV. Your about page is actually one of the most underrated conversion tools out there. Buyers who actually visit it are already interested. They just need to connect with you as a person. So here's a really cool prompt that you can use and type in, which will get you some fantastic results. Now look at this. It says, I sell, and then put exactly what you sell in there. So I said, I sell custom personalized digital portraits on Etsy in watercolor style. I started my shop because I lost my own dog and wanted to capture her forever. I work from home and every portrait is created digitally just for the customer. Write me an Etsy about page that tells my story in a warm and personal way, builds trust with potential buyers, explains what makes my shop different, and ends with a clear invitation to browse my shop. Keep it under 300 words and make it feel human, not corporate. Honestly, this is probably one of the most underrated things out there. You'll be surprised how many people just want to find some way of connecting with you and have a reason to buy. And honestly, it adds so many sales, you'll be surprised. So once you've typed this into Claude, just generate, and then it will give you a fantastic response. And just a quick note, if you're looking at this thinking, I could probably do this, but I'm not sure how to start, I put together a 20-minute AI design challenge where I walk you step by step to create your first Etsy ready design from scratch. No experience needed, no pressure, just follow along and you'll have your first product ready. There's a link in the description, so go try it out. Okay, the second use case is called creating a shop FAQ that stops repetitive messages. Now, this is honestly really big. There's so many customers that come on and ask the same question again and again. And this is about creating ready-made answers that you can put in the FAQs. And just a quick question, do you actually have shop FAQs? If not, why not? Because honestly, you'll be surprised how many times customers come and look for FAQs. So this is a fantastic way of converting those sales and also having something written in such a warm, friendly way that it just keeps the customers coming back. And just remember, guys, just change the wording for the example that I put obviously an example for pet portraits. You can just change that with your own niche. So just remember to do that. Okay, so use case number 3 is about building a product launch plan for a new listing. Most Etsy sellers actually just create a listing and just hope for the best. But there's actually a smarter way of doing that, and Claude can help you with this. So check out this prompt. Again, I'm going to use the same niche, but obviously put your own niche into the prompt. And it says, I'm about to launch a new Etsy listing for, and then I put the product in, of people's pets wearing little outfits or costumes, like a dog dressed as a knight or a cat dressed as a witch. So I'm explaining what the product that I want to actually launch is. This is a new product for me. Create me a simple 2-week launch plan that covers how to optimize the listing before I publish it, what to post on social media and when, and how to encourage my first few sales to get early reviews, and one promotional idea I could run in the first week to get momentum. Right? Check this out. So I'm going to click generate for this. And guys, honestly, the results are crazy. So it gives me a whole listing optimization with keywords, right, in the title that I should use. Tags, all 13 tags are there ready. Photos, the kind of photos that should be taken, what I should include, a description, gives me some tips on description, pricing, and processing time. And then it goes in detail with regards to the social media, exactly what I could launch on Instagram or TikTok. And it just gives you a whole plan. So put the prompt into Claude and check out what it gives you. Remember to make sure your own niche is in there. Okay, this next one is fantastic, right? And actually number 5 is also pretty good. But number 4 is writing thank you messages that give or get 5-star reviews. Now, this one is sneaky good, honestly. The message you send has a massive impact whether they give you a review or not and what they actually say in it. Most sellers actually, funny enough, say nothing or just say, here's your file. Watch what Claude does. So here's number 4. I sell custom digital watercolor pet portraits on Etsy. Write me a delivery message I can send to customers when their first finished portrait is ready. It should thank them for trusting me with their pet, tell them how to download their file, give them one tip for printing it at the best quality, gently encourage them to leave a review if they're happy, and invite them to come back for gifts for other pet lovers in their life. Keep it warm, personal, and under 150 words. Don't make it sound automated. This is absolutely gold, guys, for you. So remember to copy paste that. And just, I'm going to actually use this one just to do a response with. So look, click the orange button and then look at the response. And these are gold. Honestly, they are so good. So check out that. Here's an example of the messages, right? Look at this. Your portrait is ready. I hope it makes you smile. It's been such a joy bringing, and then it's got pet's name in brackets to life. And remember to do this for your own particular niche, sorry. And I'm so grateful you trusted me with them. To download your file, go to Etsy's, given the instructions. Printing tip: for the best results, choose a print lab that offers fine art or luster paper. Artifact uprising and prints are both wonderful. If you love your portrait, a review would mean the world to me. It helps other parents find their way here. And if you're ever looking for a gift for another animal lover in your life, I'd love to help you with that too. Come back anytime. With love, your name, right? And then all you got to do is just use, obviously, make sure you get their names there in the bracket. So honestly, this is the kind of thing that you really need, right? Okay, let's jump on to number 5. Okay, the last one. Pricing tiers. One of the biggest mistake Etsy sellers make is having one price point. You're leaving money on the table there, guys, from customers who want to spend more and losing customers who need a lower entry point. Claude can build your whole pricing structure. Okay, so I'll put a prompt in. You can see it on my screen now. And I've just typed in, remember, just to do it around your own niche. I sell custom digital watercolor pet portraits on Etsy. I currently only have one offering at £35 for a single pet portrait with a plain background. Help me build a full pricing tier structure that gives budget buyers an entry point, keeps my current mid-tier, and creates a premium option for customers who want to spend more. For each tier, tell me what to include, what to charge, and what to call it, and how to describe it in a way that makes each tier feel like a great value rather than just more expensive. Guys, you need to understand that there are different people that may like what you do and are interested and want to buy, but have different budgets. And this is something that actually people don't really focus on enough. And they just literally have one generic pricing and think that everybody's going to buy it. And that's not the case. You're literally putting money on the table. So let me just click the generate button. And this is what it says. And it's absolutely phenomenal, guys. It says, here's a 4-tier structure that gives you a natural ladder for impulse, buy to heirloom place. So you've got, actually explains what a tier 1 kind of design would be and how much it is, what's included, and why it feels like value. A tier 2, again, what the offering is, and what it is that you would produce for that offering that people would justify paying for it. And then also why it feels valuable. So it's actually got a 4-tier. And this is where you can create very different listings to cater for different budgets, guys. So if you're not doing that, you've got to do that. Just copy the prompt, paste it into Claude, and then it can give you exactly what it is that you need to do for your particular niche. And before you go, if you're serious about actually getting started, don't just watch this and move on. Go and try out the 20-minute AI design challenge. Create your first design, and once you've done it, you can send it to me. I'll personally record a video to show you how you can improve it and how I'll turn it into a listing that actually sells. And if you want more help beyond that, that's exactly what I do inside my academy. But start the challenge first. Link is in the description. And don't forget, if you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.